guys, Adelaide is sleeping, so that means I have time to film, and instead of doing something that I actually need to be doing, like laundry, I decided to play with makeup and make a video. So if I'm talking a little low, it's because I don't want to wake her up. So yeah, excuse my ashy hairline. I laid my wig last night, and I don't know, I tried the bald cap method. Well, the what do you call it? The wig cap method, where you know you put the wig cap on and then you spray down the hairline with Got to Be Glued Free Spray, dry it, and then apply your wig with your lace glue or whatever. So I did that, but my hairline is like hella ashy, so I'm hoping that my powder will cover that up, because that's ashy. And the reason I decided to do the I can't think, I'm so tired. The wig cap method is because my braids are super close to my hairline. Because I don't have my braids in cornrows, I have it in a beehive because my hair is a little shorter and I didn't want it to be tugging on my edges. So my braid is literally like right here, so I was noticing that when I wear my blonde wigs, you could kind of see my braid through the lace, because my hair is like ombre right now. It's got really dark roots and then blonde ends, but you could see the roots, so that's why I decided to do the wig cap method. And I mean, it worked out fine, except, so we're gonna see if we can fix that. I'm just going to be doing something really quick. After she wakes up, I have some errands I have to go on, and I don't want to be going out looking like this, because I mean I did pick up some new concealers from the beauty supply store. At my local beauty supply store, they sell them for $3.99, and I picked up the shades Medium Beige and Pure Beige. So I've already swatched these on my face. This Pure Beige is more of a pinky shade, so I'm going to be using that as a corrector underneath my eyes. This Medium Beige shade is more of like my skin tone when I'm tan. And then the Creamy Beige is what I've been using as my highlight. So I haven't done my makeup in so long. All the videos you've seen have kind of been pre-recorded. I don't get to film as much as I used to, obviously. I mean, you know. So yeah, I'm looking at all my makeup, and I kind of don't know what I want to do. So we're just gonna go for it. So let's see. To start, I'm gonna prime my face like I normally do, using my Dr. Brandt Pores No More. And then I'm going to set that using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose setting powder in the shade Translucent. And then to conceal my under eye darkness, or I should say to color correct my under eye darkness, and to conceal some of this redness around my mouth and my nose, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to blend that out. And then for foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This is my summer color, and light beige is my winter color. And then to further conceal my under eye darkness, I'm using another shade of the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and that is Creamy Beige. And then on top of that, to highlight, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C7. Then for my under eye setting powder, I'm using, once again, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. They also make a pressed powder, but I don't think the formula is the same, so I use the loose powder. To cream contour my nose, I'm using my Lancome stick, and then I'm going to blend that out using my finger. If you don't have the stick, you can use the hard candy one. I know that I say that in every video, but some people like to cream contour their nose. I'm one of them. And sometimes people don't want to be spending all that money on Lancome, so hard candy is definitely a good dupe for this product. And then for bronzer, I'm using my Milani bronzer in the shade Dulce. And I'm also going to use that to powder contour my nose a little bit. For blush, I'm using the NYX Ombre blush in the shade Strictly Chic. eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Eye Pencil. And like I say in all my videos, I'm not the best at doing my eyebrows. I just really just fill them in and try to give them some kind of shape. And then I set it using another Benefit product, the Brow Setter, 24-hour Brow Setter. So for eyes, I'm first going in with the shade Culture from the Perception palette. This is the MakeupShayla and Colourpop collaboration, and I'm using this shade as my transition color. And I'm just going to go in with the shade Revenge, and I'm mainly placing that on the outer V of my eye and then bringing it onto my crease. I'm not going to be wearing a liner with this look, so I want my outer V to be kind of blown out and blended. And if I'm talking weird, it's because I'm trying not to wake Adelaide up. She's taking a nap right next to me. And then for my under eye, I'm just going to use the shade Culture really lightly, just to add a little bit of color underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use the shade Played Out. Since I'm not using a liner, I'm using this shade. It's like a really dark brown purpley shade, and I'm using that on my lower lash line. I'm also going to place that on my upper lash line, like I said, in place of a liner. And then for my mobile lid, I'm using the shade Diva, and I'm applying that using my finger. You can also use a brush to apply this, but I think you get more of a payoff when you use your finger, or if you foil it using a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. And here I'm just putting that shade Played Out on my upper lash line just to give it like a little bit of a shadow, as if I was actually wearing a liner. Alright, for my highlight, I'm using the shade Opal from Becca. And for my lips, I'm using the L'Oreal Chocolate Collection, and this is in the shade 70% Yum. I also use the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Spray as my setting spray. And then on my lashes, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer with L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And this is the final look. Once again, never mind that ashy ass hairline. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. And I'm sorry if you could see how jacked up my wig looked in this video. I tried the stocking cap method last night, and it is not working out well for me. So I'm trying to hide it with all my baby hairs on my wig because my hairline is looking ashy as fuck. So yeah, excuse that. That's usually not how my wig be looking. I'm usually laid, but either way. If you liked this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!